Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Windows 11 without Secure Boot. Many players encounter issues when trying to run Valorant on Windows 11 if Secure Boot is not active. Riot Games' anti-cheat Vanguard has strict system requirements, including both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. We'll go over why these are important and what your options are if you find yourself in this situation. It's a common hurdle, and will help you navigate it. Secure Boot is a critical security feature designed to protect your computer from malicious software during the boot process. Valorant's anti-cheat system, Vanguard, relies heavily on this protection to ensure a fair gaming environment for everyone. It helps prevent cheats from loading before the operating system even starts. Without Secure Boot, Vanguard cannot guarantee the integrity of your system, which is why it's a mandatory requirement for playing the game on Windows 11. It's all about maintaining competitive integrity. Now, regarding playing Valorant without Secure Boot, it's important to understand the challenges. Riot Games has made it clear that Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are strict requirements for Valorant on Windows 11. There are no official workarounds or settings within the game to bypass these. Any unofficial methods you might find online carry significant risks, including potential system instability, security vulnerabilities, or even permanent bans from the game. It's a tough stance, but it's for security. The most reliable and recommended solution for playing Valorant on Windows 11 is to simply enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 in your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. This process usually involves restarting your computer and pressing a specific key, like Delete or F2, to enter the Setup menu. Refer to your motherboard's manual for precise steps. Enabling these features not only allows you to play Valorant without issues, but also enhances your system's overall security. It's the safest path forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.